Connection established.
Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll show you how to set up your own HTTP server for easy file sharing across your network. Let's dive in. We will start off with using CMD and later create a HTTP server with Ubuntu WSL. Okay, you can open up CMD and run the Python command now. This would show you if you have Python installed on your Windows machine or not. If not, it will prompt you to download Python via the Windows Store.
Now you can run ipconfig to display your IP address, as you will need this later to bind it to your HTTP server. After you have stored your IP address, it's time to get started with the HTTP server. Please run the following command, python-m http.server, a port number -b for bind, and your IP address. What this will do is create a HTTP server and bind it with your IP address so that anyone on the network will be able to access it. Once you have entered the HTTP server command, you can go ahead and run it. It will display the message serving HTTP on so and so on. Please give it time to load. Once this is completed, you can go ahead and copy the link provided, which would state the IP address and port number, and paste it in a browser of your liking. And that's it. You should now be able to access your files from any machine on your network, provided they are on the same network and they don't have firewall blocks in between. Just enter the link on any browser from any machine and you are good to go. If you would like to know how to create a HTTP server on a Linux machine, please feel free to follow along. Thank you for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. Please leave a like and comment for more content like this. Cheers, have a wonderful day.